and inspire others to do things, you know. I like to take a picture of this beautiful track. Let's see how it look. And it's a little bit bumpy over here. But yeah, why not? The weather is really nice, really good. Think I'm gonna go into manual mode. Really nice. We keep going around and around and around, and you know, taking pictures of this whole thing. Nice. It's beautiful. It's really nice to be able to do this whole thing. Oh, I like that church. I'm gonna take a picture of the church. From where? From here? Yeah, that would be nice. Of course, this lady came right in the middle and did what she was not supposed to. But it's all good. I could take a shot from the top just to see if I could approach it from here. Just the top. Once. Beautiful. Bam. Nice. So we're gonna continue to ride along and still go around the neighborhood. See what else we could get. This is so nice to be able to ride your bike with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, DJ Mic 2, DJI Mic 2, Sony 6700, and the 135, better to say 118 to 35. This is beautiful. So I hope you guys like this video, and for more content like this, consider subscribe, hit the like button, and hopefully we'll bring more of this to you guys. Let's see what we have here with Don Julio. Beautiful. It's the horse. Bam. The house looks nice. It's an empty house. Beautiful. So let's keep rolling. It's really nice to be able to do this for fun. Maybe for fun, maybe for money, maybe for whatever it is. It is nice to do it. So as we continue recording and taking pictures of the neighborhood, I want you to know that I'm not a professional photographer. I'm not a professional videographer. So this whole thing I do it for fun. And I think I might be wrong, but I think I'm getting good at it. I'm definitely getting good at it. To take a shot of the firehouse. Let's keep rolling. That's a really nice one right there. We're gonna take a shot of that one too. Kind of far, but I think we could take a shot of that one too. Perfect. So let's keep driving around. I don't want to go too far because I got church later on. But yeah, this is what it is. It's me riding around the neighborhood. And I'm gonna take another shot of this one right here. Because I really love this church. It looks so nice. Nice. And right there is the place where everything stopped. The clock, the richness, the poor, the white, the black, the race, everything stopped over here. This is the place where we all gonna end up. the place that we all gonna go one day. And no matter how much you have, or no matter who you are, one day we all gonna go to that place. And whether you want or not, that's how it goes. Alright, let me see if I could take a pic of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yellow flower. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna get close and hit my shot from here. See. I don't know why is that pole in the middle of the garden, but for whatever the reason, it's there. There's nothing you could do about it. So let's just keep going with the flow and do what we do best, which is, oh, that little house look nice there too. We could do that. We could shoot that little house. Yes, we can. All right, let me post so we could take a really nice look at it. Take it from over here. 70, 35. Damn. Nice. Okay. So, apparently somebody hit it hard. So as I was saying, this is the place where no matter how much we have, no matter how much you get in life, we all gonna come one day just to check in. We no check out. Oh man, let's keep rolling. Well, I think I did my thing. I think I'm good with what I got for the day. So I'm gonna go back home, edit this video, upload it, and post it for you guys. So hope you like this content. See you guys later. Enjoy.